Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add caption on your Bereal app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add any caption on your picture on your Bereal app, you need to first of all tap open your Bereal app itself. So once you open your Bereal app, you will end up in this interface. So simply choose a photo or simply tap on the circle icon and click a picture of your own. So once you have clicked the picture, you will have to now add it and hit the add button to do so. After you do this, you need to now tap on add caption. So once you tap on add a caption, you will end up in this interface where simply you need to type in the caption you want to put under your photo. So once you have typed it in, you can see that the picture now has a caption added onto it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.